So this is just a demo of how to add your own logo to this modular hitch cover design I've made. So if you download the F3D file that I've provided on my page and then import it into Fusion, this is kind of what you'll see. I've hidden the hitch interface here, but yep. So just activate the cover plate component, and then probably the easiest way to do this is to start with a separate surface to draw the logo onto. You can just do it straight on the cover plate, but then it's not as flexible if you want to add other logos and stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to extrude up from here, 0.01, and I'm going to say new body. So that'll create this surface here that's separate from the cover plate. Then I'm going to insert an SVG. You can get these from World Vector or something like that, and just go ahead and import them. And when it asks where to put it on this top surface. Then you can scale, rotate, etc. To your liking. I won't be super picky here. Okay, so that's good enough. And now we just need to extrude this. So I'm going to click all the sections I want to extrude, bring them up by 0.02. And now if we select one of those and then select the backdrop, we can see that this is 0.02. That will be enough for the slicer to notice that they're different so that you can paint them different colors for multicolor printing. But it won't be enough for the printer or most printers to actually resolve and print out that height difference. So you won't need support or anything when printing face down. So now we have the cover plate and this surface with the extruded logo on it. And we're just going to export that by saving as mesh. That will merge it all together without you having to worry about it. Save as mesh, cover plate, save in that location that I got the SVGs from. And now I just need to go over to Bamboo Studio. So now I'm in Bamboo Studio and I've loaded up the 3MF file that you can download from my page. All you're going to need to do here is change the STL to the one that you just made, and you can do that by hitting right click and then replace with STL. I've already done that, so we're just going to start painting now. So hit paint, flip it over. Let's do the edge detection mode and just kind of paint on what we want to be black, and then paint these red. And yeah, we can leave the backdrop, or sorry, the interface white there. So we'll hit return. And doing it this way just ensures that the settings all remain the same, rather than opening up your own Bamboo Studio 3MF and starting from scratch. So yeah, now when you slice plate, it'll take into account all my settings. So we've gone ahead and sliced it. We can see that everything's resolved correctly here, and there aren't any gaps or anything. Sometimes you have to scale things up if they're too small and not showing up. Sometimes you just have to click them again in the paint tool because they weren't registered or whatever. But yeah, that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.